Earning the wholesome amount of $10,000 is a dream for many, but not many know how easy it can be to make such an amount with the help of ChatGPT AI. Today, I'll be sharing with you the lazy man's guide to making an easy $10,000 through ChatGPT. And no, you don't need to have any tech skills whatsoever. In fact, I'm here to tell you that this doesn't require much effort from you at all. All you need to do is follow the steps I'm about to tell you. Following these, you can expect to be making a nice $10,000 in no time. So if you're ready to learn how you can start making an easy $10,000 with ChatGPT AI, then let's get started. First, let me tell you a little about what ChatGPT AI is. It's like having a chatty buddy who's a genius with words and information. This AI chatbot is the brainchild of OpenAI, and boy is it one smart cookie. Here's the deal. ChatGPT AI uses a giant language model called GPT-3 to generate conversation based on what you type in. It's perfect for businesses that need a customer service hero, because let's face it, who doesn't love a quick and witty response? And if you're thinking, I'm not a tech genius, how do I even use it? Fret not, my friend. All you need is a Google account and you're good to go. To show you just how nifty ChatGPT is, I decided to type up a command about the top 10 countries in the world. And right away, ChatGPT gave me the scoop on the USA, China, India, Japan, Germany, Russia, Brazil, the UK, and more. But let's cut to the chase. You're here to know how to make some cash using ChatGPT AI. So here are 2 ways to earn an easy $10,000. Number 1. Faceless YouTube videos. Most of the time, people think that to make money with YouTube, you need to be an influencer or create stunning videos with great visuals and audio. But now, things have changed, because you can earn money with faceless YouTube videos. Here's the deal. Find popular topics, and I'm not talking about that weird obsession you have with collecting belly button lint. I'm talking about something people are actually interested in watching. For example, let's say you love cars, and you want to know what the newest models are out there. Simply type in top 10 cars on the YouTube search bar, and you'll find all the videos related to that topic with high view counts. Now, don't get discouraged by the millions of views those videos have. That just means that there's a huge audience out there waiting to consume more car content. And that's where you come in. All you have to do is create a faceless video related to the topic, using some text, images, or any other relevant content that you think will interest your viewers. Now, if you're short on topics or don't know what videos you need to write, then simply come back to ChatGPT and type whatever you think your passion is. Like I mentioned before, that if you're a car lover, then type something like top 10 cars. Then ChatGPT will provide you with the topics that are related to your passion. Once you've figured out what niche you want to write about, now it's time to write a killer script with the help of ChatGPT. But how do you come up with a script that's going to grab your viewers' attention and keep them hooked? Fear not, my friends, because we've got the secret sauce to make your videos sizzle. Let's start with the basics. Your script needs to be well-structured and enticing. Think of it like a fishing hook. You want to lure your audience in with an irresistible hook, and then keep them interested with juicy what and why details. Now let me introduce you to our trusty sidekick, ChatGPT. Say we want to make a video about the top 10 cars. All we have to do is ask ChatGPT to write an intro with an engaging hook and some cliffhangers, and boom! Our intro practically writes itself. And if we want to add some humor, no problem. Just ask ChatGPT to give it a comedic twist. Once you've got your intro down pat, it's time to dive into the body of your video. In our case, the top 10 cars. With ChatGPT by our side, we can easily get the names and descriptions of each car in a jiffy. Just tell ChatGPT what you need, and it'll do the heavy lifting for you. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now on to the next step, creating your video. We're using Pictory.ai for this one, folks. It's a fantastic AI tool that lets you choose templates based on your video topic. Just customize it with your own text, images, and videos, and you're done. You've got yourself a professional-looking video in no time. And trust me, even if you have the artistic talent, Pictory.ai makes it super user-friendly to create a visually appealing video. Once you've got the video ready, now it's time to upload it on YouTube and reap all the benefits. Last but not least, we gotta get those views. This means using relevant keywords in your title, description, and tags to make your video easy to find. And don't forget to promote your videos on social media and collaborate with other YouTubers. The more engagement you have, the better chance you have of hitting that magical 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to join the YouTube Partner Program. So let's wrap it up. With the help of ChatGPT and Pictory.ai, creating faceless YouTube videos is no longer a big deal. Just follow these simple steps and you'll be able to create fascinating videos with high engagement and reach. The more views you get, the more money you'll earn. Now, the next way we're going to talk about is starting your own affiliate blog with the help of ChatGPT. If you want to roll in thousands of dollars into your bank account, then watch out to the end, as this method is really going to be the most exciting one. Number 2. Create an affiliate blog. Creating an affiliate blog may seem like a daunting task, but with the help of ChatGPT, it's easier than ever. It's like having a personal assistant that generates quality content ideas for your blog. You won't have to spend hours brainstorming your next post. First things first, you need to choose your niche. Is it health, fashion, travel, tech, or finance? I mean, the sky's the limit, but let's say you're interested in promoting tech products. The next step is to find out what's trending. But wait, you don't have to manually scour the internet for this information. Just head on over to Google Trends and type in tech products. The most popular products will be displayed. Now that you've got an idea about what you want to promote, it's time to find a reliable affiliate program. Amazon Associates is a great option if you're interested in tech-related products. Not only is it easy to join, but it also pays great commissions on successful sales. First, head on over to the Amazon Associates homepage. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up. But if you already have an account, just log in. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. This is where you can find your unique affiliate link for any product on Amazon. Let's say you want to promote a laptop. Go ahead and type in laptop in the search bar. A list of laptops will show up. Select the laptop you want to promote and click on Get Link. Next, you'll be taken to a page where you can customize your affiliate link. You can choose to create a short link, add your tracking ID, and more. Once you're happy with your customization options, click on Get Link again. You now have your unique affiliate link for that laptop. You can copy this link and share it on your blog, social media, or anywhere else you want to promote the product. But wait, there's more. Amazon Associates also offers a site stripe tool. This tool allows you to create affiliate links directly from the product page on Amazon. Simply enable site stripe and you'll see an Amazon Associates toolbar at the top of the Amazon page. Click on text or image to generate an affiliate link for that product. So once you get the affiliate link, now you need to create your website where you'll promote your affiliate product. If you're feeling fancy and want a full-blown website, go with WordPress. But if you're like me and want a quick and easy option for a simple blog, then Blogger's the way to go. You know, with ChatGPT, you can give a simple Blogger website a look as a WordPress site. Just head over to ChatGPT and tell it to write code for my affiliate blog using HTML and CSS. Then sit back and watch the magic happen as it generates the template code for your website. It's like having your own personal web developer. Once you've got your website up and running, it's time to start creating killer content. But who's got the time for that, right? That's where ChatGPT comes in handy yet again. Just type in a command like generate ideas for tech product reviews, and watch as it spits out a list of potential topics for you. It's like having a team of content writers at your fingertips. Then tell ChatGPT to generate content for my top 10 tech gadgets for 2022 article, and ta-da! You've got all the juicy details about the latest and greatest tech gadgets. All you have to do is some minor editing and publish the content on our affiliate blog. Don't forget to add those affiliate links. After all, that's what's going to make money for you. As soon as the traffic comes to your site, you can take the AdSense approval and start earning from ads. However, the affiliate link is still where the real money comes from. When someone purchases a product through your link, you'll receive a commission. Some of your favorite YouTubers are earning $1,500 a day by promoting simple products on their affiliate links. So it's not impossible if you put in the work. So as you can see, with the right persistence by using ChatGPT AI, you can make $10,000 without any technical skills. Whether it's creating faceless YouTube videos or blogging about tech products, ChatGPT's got you covered. This AI tool is even getting upgraded and adding new features to make your experience even better every single day. And all you have to do is type in a command. Who wouldn't want that? So what are you waiting for? Sign up for ChatGPT today and get started on your journey to making thousands of dollars.